Hello guys, this is Muntasir Rahman from muntasirrahman.com. In today's video, I will show you how you can create web push notification in Aweber and use that to capture leads from your website. Now, before I go into the whole web push thing, let me tell you what this is. I'm sure that you have seen whenever you visit some website, the Google Chrome browser shows a pop-up in the corner, and the pop-ups has two options like allow or block, and it says, do you want to receive more notifications from this website? So if you click allow, then whenever the website has something new to publish, like some new page or post, then Google Chrome will send you a direct notification so that you can check it out. This is essentially the whole web push feature. So you can do this with Aweber absolutely for free, and I will show how to do that in today's video. So first, I have just logged into my Aweber dashboard and I will go to web push, this one. Now I will just click here, get started. Okay, I will have to put the website where I will show the web push feature. First, I just want to do it for my own website, muntasirrahman.com. So I will just click here and put the logo here, and I will put a logo. So I will just remove this one and browse for another one. I have something here. Okay, and then I will just click save. Okay, now we will need to log into your WordPress dashboard, the backend of your site. Okay, I have logged into the backend of my site, and now you will need to have the Aweber plugin. If you don't have the plugin, you will still be able to do this, but it will be a lot harder and more complex. So you should have the plugin. Just go to plugin, add new, then search for Aweber like this. You will see this plugin here. Just activate it, install it, and you will be good to go. But after you activate it, you will have to connect it to your Aweber account. Connect the plugin with your Aweber account, and you can do it very simply. Just follow their steps. It will take only 1 minute. So after I have connected the account, then I will go to Aweber, and now I will just browse here, and in this web push I will select a list. Now in this page I am under the MMBP list, so you will need to select the correct list. I have selected this list and I have just click save please. Okay, I will just unmark these ones and click save. So this is saved. Now everything should be verified. Let's check the verify one. Yes, it is verified. Yep, it is also verified. So now we can edit the opt-in form. So this is what the opt-in form will look like, and we can select in two ways the Aweber form, this opt-in form will appear. The first way is if someone visits your website after a certain amount of time, like if I put 10 here, then the opt-in form will show after my 10th visit to your website. But generally what I like to do is just keep 30 here, because whenever someone is in your site for more than 30 seconds, then he will get this opt-in form, so that he can allow it to send to allow Google Chrome send notification about your website to him whenever he is online. So now you can edit the opt-in form if you want. Just click here and you can edit the text here. I won't, just click save prompt, and that is all. Now if I will just go to incognito and go to my site, and the opt-in form should appear after 30 seconds. So I will just wait for 30 seconds. While waiting, let me show you something. If you are new to Aweber and want to know more about Aweber, I have a whole playlist dedicated just for you. Just go to YouTube and go to my channel. This is the one. After you have gone to my channel, click on the playlist button, and here you will find the whole playlist on Aweber, so you can watch any video. I have started from the very beginning, so even if you are a very beginner, this playlist should help you out, because I have tried to show you everything that you need to know about email marketing. The opt-in form hasn't appeared yet. Also, I'd like to tell you that Aweber is currently free now. That means if you want to start with Aweber, you won't need to pay anything for 500 subscribers. So if that excites you, you should start with Aweber today. Don't delay it. I have a link in the description box. Just click there and you will be given a form where you'll need to put your email, name and other information to create the Aweber account for free. That link will be an affiliate link, so in the later, if you decide to buy their premium plans, then I will get a commission for it, and thank you for that. So this is all about today's video, and I will just wait to see when this opt-in form appears. Let's wait a bit. It can take a few minutes for the first time. As you can see, the opt-in form appeared after a few seconds. So if I click allow now, then I will be shown new notification whenever I log into my website. So this is how actually the web push notification of Aweber works. I hope you have found today's video helpful. If you did, please give a thumbs up and check out my other videos. Tata.